Hello everyone, welcome to Sundar's Oracle NetSuite Cloud ERP Foundation e-learning series. In Volume 1, Module 1 videos, I have taken you through what is cloud computing, cloud deployment models, different cloud computing services, and the difference between the on-premises and cloud computing. I have also briefly taken you through Oracle NetSuite and the suite of products built using a unified data model. I hope these videos will be useful to you before you start learning NetSuite. Hope you like these videos. In case you have any questions or clarification, you can write to my email address. You can find my email address in the beginning of each module, and I will respond to your questions as soon as possible. Now it's time to start learning NetSuite. You can watch the videos of Module 2. I will see you again at the end of this module. Until then, enjoy the videos of Module.
In this module, we will go through what is a single and multi-tenant architecture and its relevance for software as a service applications. How is multi-tenant architecture relevant for NetSuite application? We will try to understand what is a true cloud solution, how it is relevant to NetSuite, and the difference between a true cloud and a hosted solution. We will also look at what is a scalable architecture in a business application environment and how relevant it is for NetSuite application. As we get introduced to the NetSuite application, we will also go through what are the basic system requirements for operating NetSuite. We will also go through what is a unified data model and how relevant it is for NetSuite application. We will also try to understand the different terms of personalization, customization, and extension and how to read that in context with NetSuite. Finally, we will try to understand what is release management in NetSuite, how NetSuite can be integrated with external systems, and what is NetSuite Marketplace. Before we start learning NetSuite, it will be good if you can spend some time to understand what is a true cloud application and how it works. Most of us today have an idea or seen how the application software is installed at customer premises server and accessed either by a desktop or by a laptop. A true cloud application software works on multi-tenant architecture. So, let us try to understand what is a single tenant and multi-tenant architecture in a cloud model and what exactly is the difference between them. In simple English term, the usage of the word tenant refers to the user or a customer who uses a common or a shared place and pays rent for the usage. Likewise, the software applications designed for business can either serve a single or multiple customers at the same time. In a software as a service architecture model, each of your customers are a tenant of the software application they use and pays subscription for the usage. In a single tenant architecture, the customer uses the software application and the database for his organization requirement. It is not shared with other customers. The software application and the database are either hosted from a service provider or it is in the customer premises. You can either use a standard application software or it can be custom built based on his organization requirement. A good example to explain the single tenant model will be the customer who owns or rents the entire office building for his usage. In this case, he pays for all the expenses related to rental, security, and utilities for the entire building. In a multi-tenant architecture, the single instance of the application software will be shared by more than one customer. The customers share a single database, but will have a database instance for their own usage. Each customer data will be independent from the other, and they will not have access to it. This ensures their company data is completely protected from other customers. To explain things in a simple way, consider the example of a residential complex which comprises buildings and apartments, having a centralized security at the main entrance. Likewise, you can have a similar comparison for multi-tenancy equating common utilities like elevators, clubhouse, gym, play and garden area which is maintained by the builder, but you pay a monthly maintenance as subscription for the usage. Multi-tenancy architecture is the true representation of the software as a service application model. Some of the benefits include the application is a single code base and it is easier to maintain. It also facilitates automatic upgrades managed by the vendors and can be easily scaled for performance. NetSuite application has been designed based on the multi-tenant architecture. Globally, the application instance is shared by all the customers and they are on the same release. NetSuite has different data tiers serving their customers. The customers have the option of using a common database, or they can have their own private database. If the customers decide to share a common database, the software has been designed to take care of data privacy and security.